Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark all as read on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Select Inbox. Now select one message. Once you do that, tap on Select All from the top right corner. Now you're gonna see options like Delete, Archive, Move, Mark as Read and more on the bottom of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on Mark as Read and you're done. And guys, that's it. That's how you mark all as read on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.